Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make nail forms. First, ensure your natural nail is clean and prepped. Gently push back your cuticles and lightly buff the nail surface. This creates a perfect canvas for the form. Next, choose a nail form that comfortably fits your finger, ensuring it aligns well with your natural nail's curve. A good fit is crucial for a strong, beautiful extension. Now let's apply the form. Carefully slide the form under the free edge of your natural nail, making sure it's snug and centered. The form should sit flush against your nail, with no gaps. Then, gently pinch the sides of the form together underneath your finger. This creates a perfect C-curve, which is essential for the strength and aesthetics of your nail extension. With the form in place, it's time to sculpt. Apply a small, controlled bead of your chosen product, like acrylic or gel, onto the form. Extend it to your desired length, typically between 1/4 and 1/2 inch beyond your natural nail. Use your brush to carefully sculpt the product, creating a strong apex and smooth sidewalls. Aim for an even, consistent layer across the entire extension. Finally, let's finish up. Allow your product to cure fully under a UV or LED lamp, following the manufacturer's recommended time, usually between 60 and 90 seconds. Once cured, gently remove the nail form. It should detach easily, leaving a perfectly sculpted extension. Now, you can file and buff the nail to refine its shape and achieve a smooth, professional finish. You've done it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.